Hi, and welcome to this video on the Dark Flight 407 incident, one of the deadliest aviation accidents in Nepalese history. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what happened on that fateful night of July 31, 1992, and what lessons we can learn from this tragic event. Dark Flight 407 was a scheduled passenger flight operated by Thai Airways from Bangkok to Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. The flight was operated by an Airbus A310-304, a wide-body twin-engine jet that could carry up to 220 passengers. The flight departed Bangkok's Don Mueang International Airport at 11:08 p.m. local time, with 99 passengers and 14 crew members on board. The flight was uneventful until it reached Kathmandu, where it encountered bad weather and low visibility due to monsoon rains. The pilots of Dark Flight 407 attempted to land at Tribhuvan International Airport, the main airport in Kathmandu, but aborted the landing due to poor visibility. The pilots then decided to circle the airport for a second approach, hoping that the weather would improve. However, as the pilots attempted to circle the airport, a technical malfunction occurred. The aircraft's autopilot system disengaged, causing the plane to go into a steep climb that the pilots were unable to control. The plane then stalled and began to descend rapidly. Despite the pilots' attempts to regain control of the aircraft, the plane crashed into a mountain at an altitude of 11,500 feet, 3,500 meters. The impact was so severe that the aircraft disintegrated, killing all 99 passengers and 14 crew members on board. The investigation into the Dark Flight 407 incident revealed that the cause was a combination of technical malfunction and human error. The aircraft's computer system had malfunctioned, causing the autopilot to disengage. However, the pilots also failed to follow proper procedures and were not adequately trained to handle the situation. The investigation report identified several contributing factors to the accident, including inadequate pilot training and experience in mountainous terrain and adverse weather conditions, inadequate coordination and communication between the flight crew during the critical phase of the flight, insufficient monitoring of the aircraft's flight instruments and systems by the flight crew, the lack of a ground proximity warning system, GPWS, in the aircraft, which could have alerted the pilots to the proximity of the mountain. The lessons learned from the Dark Flight 407 incident have helped improve aviation safety around the world. Today, airlines and aviation authorities place greater emphasis on pilot training and proficiency, especially in adverse weather conditions and mountainous terrain. Modern aircraft are also equipped with advanced systems such as GPWS, which can alert pilots to potential terrain hazards. In conclusion, the Dark Flight 407 incident was a tragic event that claimed the lives of 113 people. However, it also served as a wake-up call for the aviation industry to improve its safety practices and procedures. By learning from this incident, we can help prevent similar accidents from happening in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and you never miss any update in our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.